So guys, I have about 3 pounds of hot spicy sausage here that I am cooking up for my dish that I am making. And the dish that I am making, it is called biscuits and gravy in a biscuit. So when I'm done getting this all cooked up, I will show you the next step. Alright guys, so this is what you want your meat to look like. Now for about 3 to 4 pounds of your spicy ground pork sausage, or you can use beef, you want to put 3 things of cream cheese in here. If they'll come out here. Like so. And you're just going to stir them up. Alright guys, I have them out of the oven. This is what they look like. I'm going to cut it in half so you know what they look like on the inside. I baked them for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. But this is what they look like, guys. Oh, so yummy. Alright guys, so welcome back to Country Views. I am going to be taste testing today. So here we go with the taste test of the biscuits and gravy in a biscuit. Mmm. So moist and warm. Mmm. I'm telling you guys, this stuff is amazing. You got to make it. If you don't like spicy, get maple or whatever other kind of sausage you want in it. Good. Thank you for visiting Country Views. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you, Country View Juniors and all the newcomers. Love you all. Bye.